Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's your girl Crystal, and today I'm going to be showing you the most inexpensive solution for your pallet couch cushion needs. So like, comment, and subscribe. And as you can see, I'm already into this video, y'all. So first thing you're gonna do is get an air mattress and blow it up. If you already have an old one laying around, you can use that. Or I found one on sale for like $12 at my local Walmart. There I'm showing you I have some extra strength Velcro, some fabric glue is the second thing that I showed you. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up my Velcro. I'm going to space it out how I want it. And then I'm going to take it, I'm going to peel it, and I'm going to stick it on. Don't cover the hole for where you blow up the air mattress, because if you need to, you know, add more air, obviously, later on. But yep, so I'm Velcroing that on, turning the couch, or not the couch, sorry, the bed. I'm gonna Scotch guard everything, so, you know, you want it waterproof because it's outside. So give that a nice spray on Scotch guard situation. So again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And just so you know, this is holding up really well. It's been outside and it's been through some rain and things like that for a couple of weeks now, and it's actually holding up really well. So yeah, and then after that I have a bed sheet set. I got a king size. I just got the cheapest one, and I wanted blue because, you know, we have blue in our living room, and outside I'm going to be making our deck area decorated with blues, whites, and golds. So I'm kind of like just making the bed, but I'm actually going to be doing like a wrapping situation, which you'll see. So I'm going to adhere the other side of my Velcro. I'm going to stick it on to the bed, and I'm going to firmly pull and, like, you know, solidify the joining. And the reason that I'm doing it this way, Velcroing it, is because I want to be able to remove this covering and wash it whenever, you know, I feel like I need to, if it gets a spill or whatever. I just want to be able to wash stuff. So that's why I didn't completely glue it to the mattress. And I wrapped it. So this is why you want it to be kind of oversized, because what you see me doing now is really wrapping it, and I'm gonna fold it and just kind of make it look like a fold over type pattern.
Sounds dry.
Look at my little tuck and seal, you guys. And look at this. Because I didn't want to use like the foam, which is an option sometimes people use, because it was just kind of expensive. I just didn't want to spend like, I built a deck for free, a couch for free. I didn't want to spend like $100 on couch cushions, and decks are full. So I gave that a nice good Scotch guard, and now I'm moving on to the top portion, which will be the backing for when people lean back when they're sitting on the couch. And I'm going through again with my Velcro, and I'm attaching it strategically, just using enough to make sure that it's, you know, pinned down or whatever. And these body cushions were $10, and for the length of our deck, it actually stretches almost all the way across, so this is a good deal. Again, I was just frugal. I didn't want to spend a lot of money. And I used a shower curtain that was on sale for like $7 to wrap this with. And there you got it. It's high because the deck, the backing sits up high. And then I gave it a nice good scratch guard, and I'm good.